The episodes on this podcast may, at times, cover topics that other people may deem sensitive. These may include, but are not limited to, trauma, interpersonal conflicts, and relevant social topics. You are advised to refrain from watching or listening to the podcast if you're likely to be adversely impacted by any of the topics. The views, information, or opinions expressed in the podcast episode are solely the views of the host and by no means represent absolute facts. The opinions expressed can change at any time. On today's episode,
enjoy mo yung high school life mo?
Yun lang ma. It's never too late. You can always start again.
Trauma bonding.
Trauma bonding, inner child healing.
Kung hindi ka okay,
Hindi mo
how will you
mahalaga.
take care of them? Hi guys! Welcome sa Ang Sakin Lang Naman Podcast, Episode 3.
Yes, ang episode na kung saan ang mga tita nyo, pagod na, antok na. Pero mag-share pa rin kami ng mga advice at mga wisdom namin sa inyo. And of course, behind the camera is our producer, the wonderful and the sexy Cynthia. Say hi!
Hello. May nahinda na naman kami for you.
Yes! So, Mare, ano nang balita?
Ito na nga, may
Anong-
tanong ako ulit sa'yo.
Oo, ano yan? Tungkol saan?
Siyempre, we are at our 30s. And maraming curious sa ating viewers. Malamang, ano yung mga message natin for our younger self? So, i-marinate nyo muna yan.
Okay, sige.
So, ang unang tanong would be, ano yung masasabi mo? Pwedeng comforting, pwedeng hindi, pwedeng advice sa younger self mo nung teenager ka.
Okay, teenager, high school.
So, mga high school.
Oo.
Okay.
Sumunod, syempre, yung face mo nung adult ka na, nung college era mo.
Okay, sige.
Okay.
And yung last na past self mo is yung early 20s mo. Yung wala ka mang third mo, syempre.
Mm-mm.
And then, syempre, kailangan paghandaan nyo. Isipin nyo mabuti, challenge na ba kayo?
Yeah. Oo.
Yan. And
Okay.
I think the last one would, ano yung gusto mong marinig ngayon from your future self?
Okay.
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 So, una is yung high school.
High school
High
self.
school.
Okay, go.
Ikaw, Mare. Ready ka
Okay.
ba?
Ready na ba? Ready na.
Ready ka na. Ikaw, ano yung
Sige, high
sabihin?
school self, siguro masasabi ko sa sarili ko is, don't take life too seriously. Kasi nung high school tayo, feeling natin ang
Yun
bigat-bigat na ng buhay. Ano mo yun?
Mm-mm.
May ibibigat pa pala.
Oo.
Di ba? Parang, yun yung masasabi ko sa sarili ko, uy, wait lang, enjoy mo yung high school life mo. Kasi
totoo.
akala mo mahirap yan. May hirap pa yan.
Mahihirap pa. Mm-mm.
Ikaw ba?
Ako, parang ganun. Pero siguro sa akin, kung kakausapin ko yung high school self ko, siguro sabihin ko na wag mong bibitawan yung creative side mo.
Bakit binitawan mo ba?
In a sense,
In a way,
oo, in a way. Kasi, di ba, growing up, at di lang naman siguro sa akin, pero sa lahat naman siguro,
Mm-mm.
mahirap na magkaroon ka ng creative side and insist that on your parents or on your family. Kasi, di ba, pag sabi mo kasing creative ka, a lot of families would think na hindi siya profitable or
Okay.
wala kang ma-achieve na anything significant
Mm-mm.
kung magpo-pursue ka ng creative life mo. Whether it's with painting, acting,
So
ganyan,
yun ba yung
dancing.
yun ba yung ano mo, what ifs mo
Siguro
ganun?
sa akin, oo. Kung pinagpatuloy ko yung creative side ko na, yung mga talents ko, kung pinaglaban ko siya, kung ano yung na-achieve ko
You
today.
think mas happy ka today?
Sa tingin ko, I would have lived a different life.
Oh, okay.
Kunwari ako yung mama mo.
Ma!
Sabihin ko, creatives! Pakakainin ka ba niyan?
Ayun. Yun lang, ma. Tama kayo.
Hindi ako sure.
Hindi ko sure eh.
Yun lang.
Di ba yun yung linya?
Oo.
Oh, yun kasi. Oh, pero hindi mo rin kasi siya masasagot at the time eh. Kung halimbawa,
Tama.
high school, ka-graduate, magka-college ka pa lang, tapos sinabihan ka ng gano'n. Siyempre, at the time, hindi ka rin
Hindi,
naman
oo.
makasagot.
Saka makikinig ka nun talaga sa kanila
Oo.
kasi sila, pabalik na sila.
Oo.
Totoo naman yun.
Tsaka, they only want what they
What's
think
best
it's
for
best
us.
for
Yeah.
you. So, di mo rin naman sila ma-fault for
Hmm.
that.
Correct.
Pero kung, kung babalik lang tayo dun sa time na yun, maybe I would have insisted or maybe found out a way
To pursue.
to do both at the same time.
Oh,
Kasi
okay.
pwede
If you
naman.
will be given a chance to actually born ng itong era na to, wherein yung creatives yung pinaka ah, malaki yung opportunity.
Hmm.
Like, di ba sa atin, sa TikTok,
Oo,
sa
totoo.
ang laki na ng publicity and opportunity mo to show your creative side.
Mm.
Would you rather be born in this era or would you have it dati pa?
Wala naman din akong complaints na pinanganak ako nung
Saka
kung kailan ako pinanganak.
oo.
Kasi we had advantages din
Yeah.
naman. Though may
Iba-
advantages
iba
din naman
yung-
sila today. Pero from what I see, parang grateful. Di naman din ako nagsisi
Na
na pinanganak
millennials
ako ng
tayo.
92,
Totoo.
1992.
Yeah.
Kasi may benefits din eh. We had our own challenges. And that made us
Who we are.
and that made us better people. Parang ang ganda nga ng timing natin eh. Kasi
Kasi
pinanganak tayo on a
in
time
between.
na in between na kung saan pausbong pa lang yung
technology.
advancement in technology.
Yes.
Pero at the same time, naranasan din
natin yung wala.
old ways.
Oo,
yung,
tama.
yung mga teleponong may cordon
Oo.
pa.
Saka wala
hindi ka
tayong-
pwedeng lumayo sa telepono kasi
wala tayong internet.
oo,
Diba?
kasi yung internet mo hindi pwedeng gumamit ng
meron
telepono.
tayong internet pero dial
Sobrang
up.
bagal. Oo.
Diba?
Yung land.
Saka literal
Yung
nasa
land
labas
time.
tayo naglalaro. Yun.
Oo, yun lang.
Diba? Ngayon yung mga bata, puro
Hindi,
gadget.
mahirap.
So anyway,
Oo.
okay. Lumayo na tayo sa, medyo sa topic.
Lumayo na
Okay,
tayo. So,
okay,
next
go.
question.
So next.
Ano naman yung i-advise mo sa college or yung time na 18 to 19 ka, 20s?
Ikaw.
Ako siguro be kind to yourself. Kasi yung time na yon, meron ako talagang pinagdaanan at alam nyo yan.
Yes.
So anyway, parang feeling ko, nagkaroon ako ng time na, alam mo yon, na kino-compare ko yung sarili ko, sana ako ganito na ako nung, sana nandito ako noon kung hindi nangyari sa akin to. Pero ayun, parang sabihin ko lang din na be kind to yourself kasi binigay yan sa'yo kasi kaya mong pagdaanan yan. Diba? So, napagdaanan ko naman siya at nalagpasan ko naman siya. So, yun lang. Ikaw?
Ako siguro, I would say sa college shelf ko na don't take life too seriously. Kasi feeling ko nung time na yun, kasi syempre, nasa point tayo nung time na yun na we were growing into what we will eventually become. Parang we were still looking at, we are still finding ourselves at that time. Hinahanap pa natin kung sino tayo, inaalam pa natin kung ano ba talaga tayo, sino ba talaga tayo, ano yung personalities natin, ano yung ayaw natin, ano yung gusto natin. So at the time, parang feeling ko nung time na yun, sobrang seryoso ko.
Talaga?
To the point na parang may tunnel vision. Parang ito lang yung paningin ko, hindi ko nakikita yung nangyayari sa paligid. So parang, ang dami kong na-miss, like looking back, ang dami kong na-miss na mga bagay ng mga time na yun. Kasi sobrang focused ako on what was happening. Yung parang inuuna ko yung stress, parang ano ba dapat kong gawin dito? Naku, hindi ko pwede itong gawin kasi...
Pero it's normal.
Oo,
kasi
normal
college tayo
kasi
nun
siya eh. Oo, pero yun nga, parang eventually, madami din pala ako talagang na-miss. So, yun lang, sayang lang. Kasi, madami pala sana ako nagawa. Kung hindi ko sineryoso masyado yung sarili ko.
Ano ba yung gusto mong gawin?
Oo nga.
Party, ganon?
Hindi naman, pero siguro I would have found a way to strike a balance. Kasi itong time na yun, parang either ganito ka or dito ka. There's no in between.
Siguro dahil din yung course natin nun, very demanding sa time. Kaya hindi din siya
Kaya na parang nung time na yun, ang perspective
parang
ko, ang dami kong
deprived tayo to a lot of experiences.
sinacrifice na gusto kong i-pursue kasi nga I had to focus on my studies.
Yes, tama
Or I
naman.
had to put time on my family kasi mas kailangan nila ako.
Mm.
So yun, tapos parang sobrang dami kong kinikrave na ma-experience but then hindi ko mabigay, hindi ako makapag-indulge
We have to focus.
sacrifice eh.
Yes.
Pero, but then looking back, parang it wasn't that serious. Hindi siya
Mm-mm.
ganun kaseryoso.
Okay.
It was like a normal part of life.
Now, in your current age, tingin mo ba na-achieve mo yung gusto mong gawin ng 20s ka? Or do you think na isa-isa mong na-fulfill yung mga na-miss out mo na?
Ako definitely, I feel like I missed some. Parang siguro, in my perspective, ideal timing is yung time na yan, no? Early 20s or nung late teens natin.
Oo.
But then again, ako naniwala naman ako na it's never too late. You can always start again. You can always begin something. You can always learn something right now. Diba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi kung hindi mo siya sisimulan today, in 5 years,
Kailan mo siya sisimulan?
in 5 years, baka ganun pa rin yung
what
regret
ifs
mo.
Yeah.
Ano pa rin yung what if mo. Ang difference, at least today, sinimulan mo siya.
Sinimulan mo na siya.
And I
Okay.
think what you just said, na-realize ko lang that it's okay to find new dreams. So,
Oo.
di ba, kung na-miss out mo siya ng 20s ka,
Gawin
gawa ka na lang
mo.
ulit ng bagong
Oo,
pangarap mo.
tama.
Oo, kasi I think yun din yung parang downside nung generation natin and yung following generation. Parang nagkaroon tayo ng focus on timing or achieving multiple things at an early age. Kasi lalo na ngayon na lahat mabilis,
Oo.
lahat instant gratification. So, nung time natin, parang kapag ka at a certain age, hindi mo na-reach tong milestone na to. Parang feeling mo you missed out already.
Mm-mm.
Nalipas na yung timing mo. But then again, when you think about it, you can always start again. You can always do something new every day. You just have to choose. You have to make that decision to start now, to do it now.
Right.
Yan.
Okay. So,
And next.
and this is the right timing for the question. With the wisdom that you have right now. Siyempre, dami mo ng learnings,
Oo.
dami mo ng wisdom na mag-share sa younger generation. But still, you need to have guidance sa mga older generation. Still, what do you think yung pinaka-comforting na words for you na tingin mo kailangan mo sa future self?
Kailangan mo sa future self mo.
Ikaw. Kung ano yung gusto mo marinig.
Yung marinig sa
Go
future
on,
self
to
mo.
go on.
Ako siguro, ngayon, ang gusto ko marinig sa future self ko, at sinasabi ko na rin naman sa sarili ko siya ngayon, is to take care of your health. Kasi I have kids, and they need a happy mom. They need a healthy mom.
Yes.
Kailangan nila ako ng matagal na panahon. So, kailangan healthy ako physically and mentally for them. So, yun yung lagi ko na rin iniisip. And I hope, feeling ko, yun din naman sasabihin ng future self ko sa akin. Kasi kailangan ka ng mga anak mo
Totoo.
ng matagal na panahon. So, kailangan mo rin alagaan yung sarili mo. Kailangan kong, yun, kailangan ko alagaan yung sarili
In priority,
ko. Yeah.
hindi naman porket inuuna mo yung sarili mo, doesn't mean na hindi mo na rin mahal yung mga ano.
Yes, oo.
Kasi when you think about it, kung hindi ka 100%,
Hindi ka okay.
di mo
How will you
maalagaan.
take care of them?
Yes.
Yun na lang yung iniisip ko ngayon.
True.
Yes. Ikaw ba?
Ako, siguro one thing na gusto ko marinig from my future self is that it was all worth it.
Ay, oo
sacrifice.
nga. Oo nga,
Yung
no.
sacrifice. Kasi ba parang napaka-comforting na
Oo nga.
pagka sabihin natin na binisita ka nung future self mo from 10 years from now.
Yes.
Sinabi niya, worth it lahat. Tuloy mo na.
O kaya sabihin niya sa'yo, you'll get through it. Diba?
Like, pas naman yan,
Kakayanin mo. Kung
worth
ano
it.
yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, kakayanin mo. Ay,
that
yun
it
pala
was all
gusto ko.
worth
Yun din
it.
pala gusto ko malaman.
Kasi syempre, hindi naman
Marinig.
hindi naman everyday madali.
Yes.
We all have our own challenges, our own struggles.
Mm-mm.
Tapos minsan, parang you go through every day thinking na tama ba yung ginagawa ko.
Mm-mm.
Kasi at some point, parang dadating ka sa time na itatanggalin mo lahat ng control, bibitaw ka. Kasi
Tama.
yaan mo na lang yung God, si universe,
Mm-mm.
you let them do what needs to be done. Let them happen what needs to happen. Kasi yun,
At some
yung
point, you
parang
have to let go
you have to
and
let
let things
go.
be.
Oo.
Kasi, kapag, yun nga, pag
Kasi hindi mo naman makokontrol
hindi
lahat
natin
eh.
makokontrol.
Parang source of unnecessary stress siya kapag pinilit mong kontrolin lahat. But then, at the same time, nakakatakot kasi na mag-let go dun sa control.
I
To
know.
let
Yeah.
go, to let things happen. Kasi hindi mo alam eh. Paano
Mm-mm.
kung
Mas madali kasi kapag
alam mo eh,
Alam
kapag
mo.
control mo, kung
Mm-mm.
ma-measure mo yung possible outcomes. But then, that's not really possible in life. Hindi
Tama.
naman trabaho ang buhay, hindi siya corporate job.
Yes.
It's life. Maraming pwedeng mangyari. So, at the end of the day, you really have to be confident and trust that everything is gonna work out for you.
Everything's gonna be alright in
Everything's
the
gonna
end.
be alright. So, yun lang. Hopefully,
Hopefully, no? Sana
everything was worth it.
Mm-mm.
Yun
Yes.
lang. Lalim.
Ang lalim.
Lumalim,
Oo,
mother.
pero,
Actually, I wanted to share something.
Hmm.
Although nasa back ako ng camera.
Oo.
Ang nagsabi sa akin is yung agent ko dati na ka-work ko. Ang sabi niya sa akin, because of you, I did not give up.
Ay.
naging inspiration ka niya.
Yes. So parang it makes me just emotional.
Iyak ako.
Parang if ikaw mismo, parang sobrang when life gets hard, and then someone told you that because of you, they did not give up. Feeling ko mas harder yung struggles nila and I need to go on para masave din sila. And para siyang vice versa. Sinave mo ko kasi feeling ko meron pa akong mission sa aking life. So parang yun yung nag-overcome ng quarter life crisis.
Okay.
Totoo talaga siya, quarter life crisis,
Oo,
midlife
totoo.
crisis. Tapos parang out of nowhere siya lagi nangyayari.
Hmm.
Yung tahimik ka lang, tapos biglang may isip mo, tama ba itong ginagawa ko?
Correct.
Nasa tamang lugar ba?
Parang ito ba dapat itong ginagawa? Paano kung hindi ito yung dapat kong ginagawa?
Nagkaroon ba
Oo.
kayo ng lost era?
Oo. Ngayon, ay, I'm so lost.
Lost ka?
Wala naman timeline yan.
Oo. Wala eh.
Ako siguro hindi naman lost, pero more of like, parang zombie era. Na
Parang
parang,
zombie.
Siguro yung time na work ka lang ng work,
oo, yung
work.
parang you're going through life lang. Nang walang something
Wala.
significant about yung parang
Hindi
lumilipas lang yung araw na
Oo.
walang significant na nangyayari sa'yo, hindi naman laging significant, pero walang development sa buhay mo. Feeling mo walang nangyayari.
Ngayon
Oo.
kasi parang nitong 30s, parang mas okay na talaga. I mean, na-realize ko na talagang mas okay na mag-invest ka sa experiences. Kaya, alam mo,
totoo.
pati sa mga kids ko, parang mas gusto ko yung lumalabas kami. Kasi,
Oo.
nung bata ako, hindi kasi ganun yung parents ko. So, hindi kami, kayo ba ganun? Hindi kami masyadong ma-outing,
Kami,
malabas,
ang sa akin
ganun.
naman, lumalabas ka mall lang. Pero hindi
Oo nga
never
eh.
kami nakapag-beach. Kaya ako
Diba?
naman nung tumanda
Ayun
ako,
na nga.
beach
Kasi,
naman ako lagi.
ako din, ganyan din.
Oo.
Kasi parang,
Trauma bonding.
Trauma bonding, inner child healing.
hindi kasi 'di ba, wala akong masyadong maalala na ganun. So parang gusto ko yung mga kids ko, marami silang na-experience ng mga ganun. Kasi wala nga akong ganun.
Kasi hindi mo siya na-experience.
Yes, oo.
So, that's good.
Kaya pala tayo laging nasa dagat. Kasi hindi ba tayong dagat?
First time ko sumakay ng aeroplano, early 20s na.
Talaga?
Same.
First time sumakay ng early 20s, first time ko magdagat early 20s.
Grabe. Early 20s
Beach.
talaga.
21, 22.
Tapos sinunod-sunod naman niya.
Kaya
yun naman, sinulit ko
early
na.
20s hanggang 30.
Kaya sinulit ko naman.
Diyos ko.
Ayun.
Anyway, thank you guys for sharing. Napashare din ako.
Yes.
And to wrap up this session, ano masasabi nyo, the one word that you would like to tell your audience or maybe 3 words to overcome their quarter life crisis.
Ako siguro just let things be. Yun talaga.
Totoo. Let things be. Sa akin
Let
naman,
things be, let it go.
let it go, let things be. Sa akin, take a deep breath. Sa akin.
Take
Na,
one thing at a time.
take one.
Big words.
Big words.
Words.
Lumalim English eh. Baon naglabasan ng baon.
Oo, kasi,
Relax
diba?
lang. Take a deep breath. Dahil
Kasi nga, everything will be alright.
everything will be alright. Pero kailangan mo din kasi you have to actively choose to move forward. Yun naman. Kasi kahit pag sinabi kasi natin na let things will work out, kung wala naman tayong ginagawa, wala kang ginagawa. Lagi yung isang paa mo nasa past. You will not achieve anything significant with your life. Kasi nandun ka lang lagi, hindi ka
Nandun ka lang.
gumagalaw. Oo. So you have to actively choose to move forward and then let things work out for you. Ayan. So, sorry kung medyo lumalim.
Oo, sorry.
I hope na hindi siya naging heavy yung discussion with you guys and I hope, pero syempre we hope na you learn something from us. So, before we end the episode, we would like to thank you again for listening to our podcast and also please follow us on our social media accounts. Follow us at Ang Sakin Lang Naman Podcast on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And also, we invite you na mag-send if may problems kayo or may issues kayo na gusto nyo i-discuss namin on an episode. You can send us an email at angsakinlangnamanpodcast@gmail.com or you can also send us a message via Instagram or TikTok. And hopefully, you can also subscribe on our YouTube channel because we'll be posting this on YouTube, Ang Sakin Lang Naman Podcast. Ayun, so I hope
Thank
again
you so
you learned a
much.
lot from us and we'll see you again next week. Thank you so much. Bye!
Bye!